Imagine there was a magic rule where a small part of what you do makes a big difference in the outcome or the results that you create in your life. This is called Pareto's Principle. Basically, it says that 20% of the actions you take cause 80% of what happens. Now think about your weight loss journey. Ask yourself, what small thing? Could it be a particular food? Could it be an activity? Could it be a habit? What small thing leads to 80% of the problems, the obstacles, or the issues that trip you up in your weight loss journey? To help you find the answers, I'm using a play on SMART. We think about SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time-bound. Well, what I'm doing is looking at the one thing, those small things that are creating 80% of the negative results in your weight that you don't want. So for S, I'll still use specific. For M, still use measurable. For A, I'm going to look at actions, so actionable or activity. And then for R, I'm going to say rewarding or rewards. And then T, I'll still keep it at time bound for now. So in each video, I will use a letter to offer a helpful tip to guide you, and I'll give you some questions that will stimulate ideas to help you pinpoint exactly what makes it hard for you to lose weight. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will give you a series of videos around the acronym SMART that will help you to determine what is tripping you up on your weight loss journey. And when you identify those things, it's that much easier to eliminate them. So once again, subscribe to our channel and let's get smart about our weight loss journey.